Today, we are diving headfirst into the super fun world of DIY wearable crafts. I'm going to show you how you can create a look that is 100% you with just a little creativity and a whole lot of fun. Let's do this! Okay, you know that feeling, right? You're just staring at your closet and it is jam-packed with clothes, but you still get that sinking feeling of, I have nothing to wear. It's like nothing in there is really you. We've all been there. But don't you worry, because we have the ultimate fix. Yep, we are gonna make some magic happen. So forget all that boring off-the-rack stuff. We're about to turn some simple, everyday things into totally unique pieces that will have everyone asking, oh my gosh, where did you get that? And you know the best part? You get to say, I made it myself. First up, let's give those feet a fresh new look with some custom canvas kicks. This is like one of the absolute easiest and coolest ways to level up your style. Any plain pair of sneakers is just a blank canvas waiting for you to work your magic on it. And get this, you barely need anything to get started. All you need are some plain canvas shoes, some permanent fabric markers or paint, and this is the most important part, your own awesome ideas. That's literally it. Your imagination is the main event here. And the steps, oh my gosh, they are so easy. First, just think up a cool design, maybe some flowers or stars or whatever you're into. Then sketch it out real light with a pencil. Step 3 is the super fun part, coloring it all in. And last, you just have to let it dry. And boom, custom kicks. Seriously, you've totally got this. Okay, ready for project number 2? Let's move on to totally custom tees. Just like the shoes, a plain t-shirt is basically a wearable canvas just waiting for you to put your art or a cool quote or a fun pattern on it. All right, so for this one, it's all about picking your vibe. Are you going for something with really clean, sharp graphic lines? Then freezer paper stencils are gonna be your best friend. Or are you feeling more of a dreamy, super colorful, swirly kind of pattern? Then it is definitely time to break out the tie-dye. 2 totally different methods, 2 totally awesome results. Okay, let's break down this freezer paper thing, because honestly, it feels like magic. You just draw your design on the paper, cut it out, and iron it onto your shirt. Now here's a pro tip. Make sure the shiny side is facing down. That side gets just a little bit sticky with the heat, which gives you those perfect crisp lines. Then you just paint right over it, let it dry for a bit, and you peel it off to reveal your design. It is so satisfying to watch. All right, this next one is something I'm so excited about. We're talking upcycling. This is the denim do-over. So whatever you do not throw away those old jeans that don't fit anymore. We're gonna give them a brand new, super cool life. So that one pair of old jeans, how many new things do you think you can make from it? Well, get ready for this, at least 3. It just goes to show you something you were about to get rid of can become a whole bunch of new accessories. And check this out. You can make these awesome braided bracelets, or create your own custom patches to put on a jacket or a backpack, or get this, a super handy phone holder using one of the back pockets. How cool is that? Your old jeans have so much potential. And making the bracelet, it's seriously the easiest thing ever. Just cut 3 long strips, tie a little knot at one end, braid them together just like you would with hair, and then tie off the other end. That is it. A super quick, super fun project you can be wearing in like 5 minutes. Okay, let's talk about the final details, accessories. You know, that little something that just brings the whole look together. Sometimes it's that one small thing that makes the entire outfit just pop. And what is like the cutest accessory ever right now? Scrunchies, of course. A DIY scrunchie is even better. It's a really cute hair tie that you can make with pretty much any fun fabric you find. But did you catch the most important part? With or without sewing. Yes, that means absolutely everyone can make one of these. I mean, look how easy this no-sew version is. Just grab a strip of fabric you love and a regular hair elastic. You fold the fabric right over the elastic, then use some fabric glue to seal that long edge. Scrunch it all up to get that classic scrunchy look, let the glue dry, and you're done. A custom accessory in literally minutes. So we've gone over shoes and shirts and denim, all this cool stuff. But you know, the real point of all this isn't just about making things. It's about making your mark. Because when it comes to your own personal style, there's only one rule that matters. You make the rules. And if there's one thing you take away from all of this, please let it be this. The best style, the most interesting, the most authentic and amazing style, it's not something you can just go buy in a store. It's something that is created by you. your hands, your ideas, your awesome personality. Seriously, don't ever forget that. You don't have to follow the trends because you are the trend. You are the designer of your own look, the creator of your own style. Everything we talked about today is just a tool to help you show the world exactly who you are. So I'm gonna leave you with this. You've got the ideas, you've got the inspiration. The only question left is, what masterpiece are you gonna create first? Is it gonna be the shoes, the shirt, something totally new? Go on, go get crafting.